everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Miss Nene and welcome to Miss Nene's Art. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different, something that I don't usually do, but I wanted to share some things with you guys. So I'm going to show you my Dollar Tree haul and my Hobby Lobby haul today. And then I'm going to work on a little boo sign that my daughter asked me to do for her Halloween wreath that she's making. So I'm going to do that after I show you my quick little haul from Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree. So first, I'm going to do the Dollar Tree one. I picked up some Halloween projects from Dollar Tree the other day, and I'm really excited to try these. So first, I found some Sugar Skull Day of the Dead wood cutouts. Look at how cute these are. I don't have an idea as to what I'm going to do with these yet, but I'm definitely going to do a video on both of these. Yep, I got these from Dollar Tree. They are so cute, and I am excited to decorate those. What I'm going to do, let's see. I got so much stuff. I also got these cute little skull bows. Somewhere, I'm going to use these somewhere on this little cutout here, but they're so cute. So I got two of these. These are going to be really cute on my little sugar skull. Not sure where I'm going to put them yet, but it's going to be adorable. I also found these little clip-on bats. All of these I'm going to use on my Halloween skulls. I might even put them on my door. I don't know. And Dollar Tree had the audacity to have these adorable Halloween themed material pieces. So one is, actually let me open this to see what the full pattern is. Because it looks like several patterns on the material. These are cute. What I'm going to do with these is I'm going to make coasters. I'm going to make a set of 4. Each coaster is going to have its own image. So this one's going to, one coaster is going to have this one. The other one's going to have the black cat, the web, and then the little candy corn. So that'll be a video coming up very soon as well. So you don't want to miss that. So make sure if you haven't subscribed that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on these Halloween craft items that I'm going to be making. So I also got from Dollar Tree some little, like styrofoam mushrooms. I got these because I'm gonna put these in my gnome garden that I have out in my backyard, and I am a gnome fanatic. So I like to put together little gnome gardens throughout my house, and little gnomes just sitting around my house. In fact, here's something that I made here on my channel several months ago. Is this not adorable? I have this sitting in my living room, but I have a similar little garden out in my backyard. But I love how this turned out. And if you want to see the video for that, I'll leave that in the description for you so you can check out this video. This was a very easy little garden that I made, and I love it. So I'm going to do that again. Well, I'm going to add these to the ones that I have outside. But I have also from Dollar Tree these little adorable little gardens. They call them floral gardens. It's a little dome, plastic. It's got a little hole at the bottom for fairy lights. Now what I'm gonna do with these is that I'm going to make a little fairy garden inside. Surprise, surprise. And I got these cute little haystacks. Are they not cute? Are these not adorable? These are gonna go in there somewhere. I got this little foam thing. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it, but if I do, I'm gonna cut it, stick it down in here, like where I can stick little plants inside so they can be sticking up. So I'll be using that for this. But then I also found these little wooden, unfinished little mushrooms. So I'm gonna be painting those and adding them to my dome for my gnome garden. And so, oh, almost forgot this cute little ribbon. Don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but look at how cute it is. I'm gonna do something with it, just don't know what that something is. But these are all the things that I got from Dollar Tree. I've never done any Halloween crafts, so I guess this would be my first time doing it. I mean, I craft for Christmas, and I craft every day other things, but this time I'm gonna be doing Halloween. For my daughter, who's always doing seasonal things, including Halloween, this is the sign that she got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to do an acrylic pour on this today for her, and she's gonna finish it up on a Halloween wreath. So I'm gonna put that aside for a second, but I can't wait to see that. Now for my Hobby Lobby haul. First, let's start off with this. Got this from Hobby Lobby, and I am really excited to try this out. It's a wood river plank set, has everything inside of it. It has the resin, it has the hardener, it has the craft tape, it has the glass stones, it has the natural wood plank with the bark, some craft sticks, some gloves, some wax paper, some acetate sheets, a stirring stick, of course, a mixing container, a pouring bowl, some push pins, and then the instructions. So this is going to be something that's going to be really cool to try out as well. That's really cool. They had a lot of different sets, and I wanted to try the river plank because I've always wanted to do those, and I've seen them before, so that's gonna be on a video coming up soon. Now, let's see. Oh, I got this. This was 50% off, and what I'm gonna do with this is I'm going to put my laundry pods in this. I've also found some ribbon at Hobby Lobby, and I'm gonna trim the ribbon and put it around here, and just go ahead and put a label on there with some vinyl and throw my laundry pods in there, because I get sick and tired of reaching in those bags for my laundry pods. And this would be cute and decorative for my laundry room anyway, so perfect. This was, at the time, 50% off, so I grabbed one. Now these were I believe they were 75% off at Hobby Lobby. Look at that. And it slides off so you can put your tissue box inside. I had to get these things, these little wood. I love wood cutouts. I have a ton of them. I even sell them on my website, different ones. Not this one though, but I've never seen the tissue box, so I'm really excited to put this together, paint it, do an acrylic pour over it, put some resin on it, and stick it somewhere in my bathroom or living room or dining room or somewhere. But that is really cool. That's gonna be a fun project to work on. Now I have this. Now my daughter also picked up one, and we're gonna do a video collaboration where we're both gonna do our own thing with this and see what we did differently to turn these into something really nice. Me, of course, is gonna be something with gnomes in it and trees and flowers. You know, like I said before, gnome fanatic. This was also 75% off. It was originally $40, so yeah, I think I paid maybe $10 for this. Love it though. That's gonna be another project, another video coming up very soon. Now these last two things I'm really excited about. I found this sign. And the first because it's damaged a little bit, but that's okay because this board screws off in the back. I'm gonna take this off and I'm going to pull these off, and I'm gonna do a really, really nice acrylic pour and resin it. It's gonna be really, really beautiful. I cannot wait. I don't have any ideas if I'm gonna put any words on here or not. I don't know, but there it is. This was also 75% off, and I'm not sure what I paid on this. Might have been $9. Originally it was like 40. Really heavy metal. That I almost didn't get, but my daughter talked me into it. She's like, Mom, you can do something with that. And I'm like, yeah, you're right, I can do something with that. 75% off. Originally this was $22. Look at how pretty that is. I'm going to hook this up. I cannot wait. It has the little hook so you can hang it up on. So I'm going to bling this little mermaid tail out. It's going to be adorable. It's going to be pretty. It's going to be sparkly, and it's going to be blue with some aqua colors and sparkly. Love that. And last but not least, something that I don't have to change. It's going to go in my bathroom. Another 75% off. Wash, brush, floss, and flush. Little signs, a little dented, but you know, you can't really see it when it's hanging up. That is really cute. Love that. Love that, and it's like a metal. And I almost forgot one more thing. So this is the last one, but I forgot my little mushrooms. It's gonna sit in my little garden. 75% off. I literally only paid like $1 something for these. So these are gonna also go into my gnome garden. All right, guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed that because that was fun. And I'm just waiting for Hobby Lobby to go down some more, like 90%. Then it's gonna be another bigger haul this time. But let's go ahead and work on this. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and prop this up here. Brush off any dust. Okay. So the paints I'm gonna be using is gonna be a black background. So I watered down some acrylic paint, my Artist Loft Black. And I'm gonna use my favorite paints from Deco Art, the Enchanted Collection. Gold, magenta, and blue. These activate on black backgrounds. And I have several videos using this paint. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just pour. Actually, let's do it this way. And just like that, we're done. So I'm gonna go ahead and let that dry so you can see what it looks like when it's finished. Here it is. It's completely dry, and look at how pretty that is. I can't wait to see what she does with this. Those Deco Art Americana iridescent paints are just beautiful. They're metallic. Look at that. Well, I hope you enjoyed my haul video from Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't yet, so you can see me create and change a lot of those things you saw me show you in the beginning of this video. I'm looking forward to recreating and changing a lot of those things to make them my own. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.